The perfectionist I am, I'm not real happy with the rubber not being as tight as I'd like it to be, but it's pretty good. And it'll be even better when I get the concrete in. We set the height on this. We want it 1 7/8. Like so. We're going to caulk around that before we put cement in. But we're going to put the board, which we've got wallboard, we level it across here. So we have the same height all the way across the outside, which is what we expect it to be. And then to mark the top. So I can just put it up on the top, and the bottom of it will be where the concrete needs to go to. And here's where everything is going to. So the wallboard we put across on top of the board, the hardy board that we're putting on the floor, which is actually Allure is the name of the company. But the wallboard, we leveled it across from the sitting on top of that, which would give us the height we need all the way around. And leveled across the top, and we got these marks here and here. So now we got to pop a line across here, and then we measure down around this bench, and that will give us the bottom matching that, which is what we want. We're going to slope into this drain from all directions, but that's the height we're going to be all the way around the outside. Now it may sound complicated, but here we go. Well, we poured the bottom of the shower. Everything runs downhill. That's the thing the plumber knows. Everything's supposed to go downhill. Well, we're going to come back tomorrow and see how we do. Got to put all the rest of the hardy board on the rest of this room. And we'll see what happens then.